In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to Recime app. First of all, launch open Recime application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have your account yet, you can tap on this option, get started, and create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, tap on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find two options over here. Continue with Google, continue with email. Simply tap on the login method that you used in order to create your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. Now if you do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email and password. Tap on the field of email. Now provide the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now what you have to do is enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the email and password, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log into Recime app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.